Welcome to our page Excel Stream. Today we will going to learn about SUMIF and SUMIF function. It comes under category of advanced Excel functions. Okay, and this is very important function of an Excel. It is very useful and comes very handy. Okay, so what is the use of SUMIF function? Okay, it sum up the cells basis on a given criteria, on a single criteria or multiple criteria. Okay, let's learn it with an example. Over here we have a subscriber data of a DTH company. Okay, wherein we have customer ID, we have customer name, which region they belong, what channel they subscribe, and how much amount they are paying to the DTH company. Okay, so let's take an example. Okay, you need to find out how many amount you are getting from region Delhi. Okay, आपको दिल्ली से कितना अमाउंट मिल रहा है. ओके, तो क्या करेंगे इसके लिए? वी विल यूज सम इफ कंडीशन, बिकॉज आपको सम करना है बेसिस ऑन अ गिवन कंडीशन. ओके, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. इट टेक्स थ्री आर्ग्यूमेंट्स विच इज रेंज. ओके, आपका क्राइटेरिया किस किस सेल ऑफ द रेंज में है, तो आपका क्राइटेरिया इस रेंज में. ओके, freeze this cell reference using F4. Okay, comma, what is your criteria? You can pass a cell reference or you can hard code it that like this. Okay, but in this case we will use cell reference, which is cell H9, and sum range. Okay, किस रेंज को आपको सम करना है? Which cell references we want to add? We want to add these ranges. Okay, you got this, and you can, sorry, over here we need to select this starting over here. Okay, see, you will get the sum of the amount basis the region. Okay, Delhi region say you are getting 1450 rupees, for Mumbai 1250, and so on. Okay, now let's learn with another example. In this case we want to know the amount basis the channel. Okay, same sum ifs. Okay, sorry, sum if, because we are telling about, we are giving example of understanding the example of sum if. Okay, which range? In this case channel. Okay, what is your criteria? Star plus. And what is your sum range? This. Okay, please don't forget to freeze your ranges, which is in this case this column, and you can freeze this as well. Okay, so Star plus you are getting 700, from Sony you are getting 750. You can check this by putting a filter. You can check from Star plus you're getting 700, you can Star plus. Okay, 700. Okay, now when we use, हमें कब sum ifs की जरूरत पड़ती है? When we need to use sum ifs function. So as the name suggests, sum if for one condition, sum ifs for one or more conditions. Okay, let's say you want to know from which region. For example, you want to know from Delhi region how much you are getting from Star plus channel. Okay, so here are our two conditions, region and channel. In this case we will use sum ifs function, and there is a little change in the criteria, in the order of the criteria. In sum if we pass first the criteria range, and in the last we will pass sum range. But in sum if case our first argument is sum range. Okay, किस रेंज को आपको सम करना है? This range, press F4. Okay, Delhi region. So first select the column region, this region. Okay, on which criteria? Delhi. Okay, we'll select Delhi. And your second condition is channel. Select channel column from your master database. From this database, freeze this, and you want Star plus. Okay, so from Delhi region in Star plus channel you are getting 200 rupees, case you want to change, you can change it Sony. So from Delhi region on Sony channel you are getting 300 rupees, and you can change so on. From National Geographic you are getting, and so on. Okay. So there are two differences between SumIF and SumIfs. SumIf takes one criteria and SumIfs take multiple criteria. First difference. Second difference is in the SumIf it takes only one argument, and the sum range is the last argument of the SumIf. But in the case of SumIfs, sum range is the first criteria of your function. Okay. For example, in this case, F9. Okay. And we can use SumIfs. Okay. One more thing, you can use SumIfs function on this as well. Okay. So you can pass SumIfs as well. You're gonna select first SumIf. Base is you need to select the sum range, which is this column. What is your criteria range? Your criteria range is Delhi, means this column D, and your criteria is Delhi. Okay, and you will get the same result. Okay, here is the last example. In this example, we will find out in Delhi region how much money we are getting from different channels. Okay, so this is basically a cross tab of all this data. Okay, we will use SumIfs condition because we need to put two conditions over here. Okay, equal to SumIfs, right? Sum range. We need to sum this range. हमें इस range को sum करना है. Is this okay? What is the first condition? First criteria range is, we'll select city region. Okay, region. Freeze this column as well. Your criteria is Delhi, right? Now second criteria is channels. You will select the channel column from your master database. Freeze this and select means this cell. Okay, but here since you are copying, you need to copy this formula in multiple cells, so you need to freeze column H, because you need to freeze column H, and here in this cell reference you need to freeze row number 25. So once you drag it, your references remains intact. From Chennai, in totality you are getting 550, but you are getting 200 from Sony Max and 150 from Sony and 200 from Star Plus. Okay, one important catch is hash value error. When you will get hash value error, आपको hash value error कब आ जाएगी? Whenever अगर आपके criteria की range, okay, these ranges should be equal, means जो भी आपकी sum range है, which is row number 34, okay, तो आपके सारे references means आपके ranges, these ranges should be equal to this sum ranges. Okay, अगर एक भी रह जाएगा, for example in this case we change to 33, so you are getting value error. Okay, so you need to change it back to, okay, if any of the range is less than your sum range, you will get hash value error. Okay, and in last, so okay, so it is easy. So what is the trick? What I never use SumIf function. Why? Because if, for example, in this case, okay, I never use SumIf. Why? Because it only takes a single argument. For example, I put this formula. अगर मैंने ये formula put कर दिया है and I need to change it to the multiple आई नीड टू पुट मल्टीपल क्राइटेरिया, मुझे इसी सेल के अंदर मल्टीपल क्राइटेरियाज करने, तो मुझे ये पूरा फॉर्मूला चेंज करना पड़ेगा। ओके, वेरेज इन केस ऑफ सम इफ्स मैं वो क्राइटेरिया एंड में ऐड कर सकता हूँ। ओके, इन दिस केस जैसे मैंने कहा कि मुझे ये करते और मुझे बता दे ओके, सो दिस इज मोर फ्लेक्सिबल राइट, बिकॉज मैं इसी फॉर्मूले के अंदर लास्ट में वो जाके ऐड कर सकता हूँ सेकंड क्राइटेरिया, बट इन केस ऑफ सम इफ मैं वो ऐड नहीं कर सकता, बिकॉज लास्ट में क्या आता है आपका सम रेंज आता है और ये एक ही कंडीशन लेता है। ओके, और इट्स इजी टू रिमेंबर सम इफ्स बिकॉज आप फर्स्ट आपका क्या रेंज लेता है, वो सम रेंज लेता है। ओके, सो गाइस, होप यू लाइक इट। Please subscribe my channel, follow my channel on YouTube, and press the bell icon to get regular notifications of the new videos. Have take care. Bye.